This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Karn Johnson. Nestled in the corner of a cozy cul-de-sac, this Arbor model 2-bedroom, 2-bath, with a den is move-in ready. The Snowbird owners have taken care to update the kitchen 2018 and bathroom 2022 along with installing a new air conditioner in 09-2018 and having a new roof installed in 12-2020. No worries. The plumbing was updated to CPVC in 12-2015 and the electrical panel was updated in 02-2016. Upon entering, enjoy an open layout with volume ceilings. The den provides easy access to the living room or the enclosed lanai. This home also features another smaller screen lanai. All appliances are 2016 or newer. Ask your realtor for the list of updates. A closet system was installed in 2019 in the master bedroom. New water heater installed 2021. Golf carts are a secondary means of transportation. You can easily access grocery stores, restaurants, doctors' offices, banks, home improvement and big box stores, various houses of worship and South Bay Hospital. And, with Tampa, Petersburg, Sarasota, and Orlando all close by, there is never a shortage of professional sporting and cultural events and family fun. Don't forget, the magic of Disney is only 75 miles away. Buyer pays one-time $3,000 capital funding fee at closing to the Sun City Center Community Association. HOA is mandatory. We are an active 55+ community with something for all interests. For more information, review the details.